You can't take the home from a homeless man. You can't take away his streets. You can't threaten a man with nothing to lose or bruise him when he's beat. You can't take the money from a poor man, scare a man with no fear. You can't shame a man with no pride or force a stone to tears. What can you do to a broken man? What can you do to a broken man? You can't cut a man who's bleeding. You can't push a man who's down. You can't starve a man who's hungry or envy a man that's found. You can't lift a man who's risen. You can't cheat a man who knows. You can't kill a dream that's dead and curse it when it goes. What can you do to a broken man? What can you do to a broken man? What can you do to a broken man? What can you do to a broken man?